Hello, I'm Justin with Liquid Web. Logging into your CentOS 8 server for the first time, you might be surprised to find that entering the Python command results in a command not found error. This is because CentOS 8 is not set up with an unversioned Python command anymore. Not to worry, in this tutorial, we are going to cover how to install both Python 2 and 3 on your CentOS 8 server to get you off and running with Python. I'm working as the root user on a Liquid Web CentOS 8 self-managed server. Further, all of the commands referenced in this tutorial will be in the video description for easy reference. To start things off, let's make sure our system packages are up to date by running the following command: dnf update-y. Once that finishes up, we can go ahead and use dnf again to install Python 2. dnf install python2-y. That's it! Python 2 is now installed. In order to verify that, we can run python2-V. If we enter the command python2, we are dropped into a Python2 shell. Let's exit the Python2 shell by holding down the Control key and pressing D. Next up, we can install Python 3 by running dnf install python3-y. Now that it's installed, we can verify that it's there using the same commands as before, subbing 2 for 3. Python3-V. We can see the Python 3 version, and we can enter Python 3 to drop into a Python 3 shell. That's all there is to it. You now know how to install Python 2 and 3 on your CentOS 8 system. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our knowledge base at liquidweb.com/kb or our YouTube channel at youtube.com/user/liquidwebinc.